This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Differential lubricant change, all-wheel drive models. Chalk the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Place a drain pan under the differential. Remove the fill plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the lubricant to drain into the pan. Clean and reinstall the drain plug using a new sealing washer. Tighten the drain plug to the specified torque setting. Using a hand pump, syringe, or squeeze bottle, fill the differential housing with the specified lubricant until it's level with the bottom of the fill plug hole. Clean and reinstall the fill plug using a new sealing washer. Tighten the fill plug to the specified torque setting. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels.